A lot of people still don't know that I spin cars and I love speed. I love eating cereal almost like 6 times a day. I know it's bad. I'm allergic to lettuce and chilies. Okay, I used to do Sweat 1000, then I stopped, so I think this is natural. I did 9 years provincial netball, hence why I broke my knee as well. I've got titanium in my knee, something a lot of people don't know. Scar is huge, 98 stitches, but that's one thing that I do generally to keep in shape, jog as well. Style icon is definitely Gabrielle Union. I love her. I love her style. A lot of people say Beyonce, definitely. She has that element, but definitely Gabrielle Union. My secret talent, and I'm apparently asked that I can show people. I wish it was twerking, but unfortunately not. Yes, my bums. But I think my secret talent is being a newsreader. Yeah. Most bizarre news item for me is probably the one about an Indian 18-year-old young woman who got married to a dog, a stray dog, and this was apparently because it was going to take a curse off the community and her family to marry this dog. Now this is real, like she married a dog, and she's saying she hates the concept and the idea, but anything to lift off the curse on her family. If I had to choose between Julius Malema and Jacob Zuma, I think, man, my president, Julius Malema is a guy that entertains me, and he challenges, you know, protocol, and I love the way he's handling everything on, you know, in terms of politics. But Jacob Zuma, you're my main man, guys. Shame. Yeah, you're the one. Being fit and knowing your body. Confidence is knowing yourself, who you are, where you've come from, and having humility not for others but for yourself. I know for sure that my father, who passed away 21 years ago, loves me so much, and a lot of people don't know this, but I also have tattoos all over my body that is to my father, who I love so much. Khutso Theledi, I love you.